are we, Mum? Doing the pinnacle walk, Dayna. Oh yeah. So, long time no vlog. It's 2021. Haven't been travelling obviously, but me and Mum, there's Mum, we have come to Tasmania for a little lap around Tassie. So we've hired a van. I'll show you the van later. Now we're up at Mount Wellington and we are literally about to go as high as you can, I think. It's up there. And the views. Where do we go? I think we're just going to climb. We're going this way. No, because that goes back that way. I want to go up there. Okay, we're going to climb. Okay, bye. So, made it to the top. First spot of wildlife at the top of Mount Wellington. Look at it, it's so cool. So we're heading off now. I need to open the car. Sorry. This is our van. Oh shit. Open. This is our van. We've named it Kurt. So there's Mum getting in gracefully. Okay, so this is our van Kurt. We named it Kurt because when we picked it up and we were driving from the airport to Hobart, felt like I was driving on an angle because the wind was so bad. So Mum named it Kurt after who?
Kurt Angle.
Okay.
Some people will get it.
I feel like we should get one of the drinks out because now I've got a big old road trip ahead of us to Strathgordon if we make it that far. Cool. Good morning. So yesterday, where did we leave off? We're at Mount Wellington. Now we're in the middle of actual nowhere. So the original plan was to go to Gordon Dam to obviously see the dam. And then, oh, I got a head in my mouth. This wind. But then I got a bit cocky and was like, I don't need a map, I'll just follow street signs. And turns out we literally drove straight past the turnoff and drove pretty much 2 hours in the right direction, but we missed our first stop. So we pulled up at like 8:30 last night because it was getting quite dark. And it's really bad to drive at night in Tasmania, apparently, because of all the wildlife coming out then. So we pulled over into this lot next to this little jetty thing. Yeah, apparently it's Bronte Lagoon, Bronte Dam, something or other. And we were the only ones here besides one other van, but they've already gone, so we're here by ourselves. We haven't had any service for 12 hours, so it's been quite interesting. But now we're off back on the road where we turned off last night and see where we end up today. And Kurt, our van, is right there, and there's Mum. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. This wind is still really bad. So we've driven through Derwent Bridge, and then we drove to, hold on, what am I saying? We drove through Derwent Bridge and stopped for some breakfast kind of thing. And now we've come to Nelson Falls. We're on a walk. It is pissing down rain, but I was very kind and gave Mum my waterproof jumper. Waterproof? Yeah.
Oh, cool.
So this is the walk we're doing. How pretty is this? I'm gonna go up here. We've made it to the falls. This is Nelson Falls. It's so pretty, it's so big. I've climbed behind the barrier. Mum's over there. So cool. So we left Nelson Falls and we've driven, what do you reckon, maybe 20 minutes, half an hour up the road. And we saw a sign for, what was it called, Horsetail Waterfall or something. And we're going to get out and walk, but it's really shitty weather, so we thought we're not going to see much. So we drive a bit further down and then, hello, look at that. That's a monster of a waterfall. This camera's like not even doing it justice. This camera's shit. Look at it, oh my god. It's cool. And then this is the road we're driving on. Now we're going to drive into Queenstown. Actually no, we're going to iMovie Lookout first. So it'll be next stop. So down there is iMovie Lookout. Oh, what is it? No, wait. We're at iMovie Lookout now and it is down there. I think it's like an old quarry or something. And now it's like really, really blue. Can you see it? It's kind of a bit hard to see, but I think my lens is a bit too big to properly see it. But it's raining again, so we're getting back in the car. We have made it to Queenstown apparently. Look at that. And then Queenstown. And there's waterfalls everywhere. So cool. How you going, Mum? What? How you going?
Oh, I'm going great.
So we had some lunch at the pub. Is it the Empire Hotel or the Oasis? I'm confused. There's two different names.
It's called the Empire Hotel, but the Oasis is the food bit.
Gotcha. So yeah, we just had some food and there is nothing to do in Queenstown. We were literally talking about where they get their clothes from because there's no shops whatsoever. And then they get their clothes from Vinnie's apparently, according to the locals. So now we're going to drive to Strahan, which is about an hour away.
They don't have clothes either.
Apparently, we'll see how that goes. Alright, peace out. I'm out of breath already. We made it to Strahan after a very long, actually it wasn't even that long, windy drive. And again, there's not much to do in Strahan, but now we have driven from Hobart to Strahan, which is a very western side of Tasmania. We're staying here tonight, so we're just going on a little walk to another waterfall called Hobart Falls. And there's really not that much else to do in this place because the shopping centre contains, what was it, a pharmacy and an IGA and a petrol station
And an eco shop.
and an eco shop. And Mum needs a jumper and we can't find anywhere to buy clothes. So now we're on a 40-minute walk to the falls. So I'll show you when we get there. Okay, see this sign? Yeah, it is a bit slippery. They say listen to the signs. I may have slipped over. Lol. We just went to Hobart Falls. It was a very intense waterfall. And yes, I slipped over before and dirtied one of the two pairs of pants I have. We don't have anywhere to wash them, so
All buy clothes.
fun. Or buy clothes because there's no shops anywhere. Anyway, we're walking back to the car now and we'll see what we get up to. So we're in our van in Strahan. I'm cooking dinner and I thought I'd give you a little bit of a tour / cooking with Dayna in a van chat. So this is our van. This is what I'm looking at. The cozy mum front seat. So this is mum's bed. My bed is up here, which looks like a mess at the moment. It's tiny. We have a spare seat here and a spare seat here. All our shit is under the bed and our suitcase just chills here. This is our potato salad that is going with our salmon. This is our cooker, our sink. Over here we have a microwave and a fridge and just some stuff. And then in here we have all of our snacks. And that's the tour of Kurt. Isn't it, Mum?